Okay, everybody, can you read? What is that word? Again? Okay, matter. Okay, what's the matter with you? So you often heard that kind of expression when someone asks you, what's the matter with you? Is it related to this topic about matter? Okay, let me tell you first. There were two certain things that might describe matter in English expression and scientific expression. What's the matter with you means to say, it's a basic self-expression. What's the problem with you? Right? The other one, the word matter, specifically a topic of scientific explanations related to different states of matter on Earth. That's another description, okay, related to matter. So what really a matter is? Okay? What is matter? I know you guys are very much familiar. No? You've been learning this when you were in grade school. For sure. What is matter? Huh? Do you guys understand solid, liquid, and gas? Okay? So, therefore, what is meant by a word matter? Let's understand first, this is not only about problem, okay? But it's mainly a matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. These are made of tiny particles called atoms, okay? Substances that contain only one type of atom are elements. Do you remember, guys, during your preschool camp, you're learning about periodic table of elements. So, let's continue. Anything that does not have mass or take up space, like heat, light, emotions, thought, and ideas, okay? It's not part of matter. Okay? So according to the law of conservation of mass, no? Matter is not created or destroyed. It only changes its form. So for example, if you're going to burn fuel or wood, 10 kilogram, then after you burn those objects, no? After a few minutes, it turns into ashes. So it will create, there are 8 kilograms of ashes, 2 kilograms of smoke. The same.